Exporting incidents to Genetec clearance. If your Security Center system is connected to a Genetec clearance account, you can export details from a closed incident into clearance. To use this feature on your workstation, you must have the Genetec clearance plugin software installed, and the plugin must be configured on the server. The plugin software can be found on the GTAP or Genetec Technical Assistance portal, and you must use version 3.5.16 or higher. For example, let's say you had responded to a fire incident and you wanted to include the details of the incident in a clearance case. Only closed incidents can be sent to clearance, so the first thing you would have to do is open the Incident Report task and find the incident you want to send. Click on a single incident in the list, and you'll see the Export Incident to Clearance button appear below the list next to the Export Incident button. This button will not appear if you have selected an incident that is not closed, or if you have more than one incident selected in the list. Once you've chosen to export the incident to clearance, you can either create a new case to send the files to, or select an existing one to update. If you choose to create a new case, the first field you will have is for the case name, which takes the incident name and ID by default but can be modified. Next, you will have to choose a department and category. The values available in these settings are pulled from the clearance account your Security Center system is connected to. The incident trigger time is used as the case start time, and you have fields to include an incident number, record number, and a description of the case. If you know the case has already been created and you just need to attach the incident files to it, you can search for the case instead. Just type one or more keywords into the search field and hit enter or click on the magnifying glass on the side. The case list will update with any cases that have that text in the case name, description, or case tags. You'll have to type in the complete word. It doesn't do partial searches. For example, if I typed in equip and hit enter, I don't get any results. If I type in equipment, I will see my break-in case come up as it has the word equipment in the case description. A case will show up in the list if any of the keywords are found. They don't all have to be in the name, description, or tags. Below the list, you'll see the case validation field, which lets you know if you can update this case. When the connection from clearance to Security Center is made, certain user groups are given privileges to add information to cases. If you are allowed to update the case files, you'll see a Sufficient Integration Privileges for the Selected Case message in the case validation field. If you're not allowed, it will indicate you have insufficient privileges. When you're not allowed to update the case directly from Security Center, someone with the appropriate privileges can still update the files manually. The clearance administrators can also change which user groups can update cases from Security Center. The last section in the export window is to specify how much video will be uploaded from associated cameras. You can set how many seconds before the incident to start and the total duration of video from each camera. These settings will be present in the export window for both new and existing cases. Once the details have been entered in the export window, click the Export button on the bottom and the files will be sent to the clearance service. Video from any associated entities or attached cameras will be sent, as well as a PDF of all the incident details, like what you would see from a regular incident export. If the incident was a collaborative incident, PDFs of all the sub-incidents would also be included. Only PDF files are exported for the incident details. The XML and HTML file types are not generated. Now you can go back to your clearance account and you'll see the incident files in the new or existing case that was selected. The files will show as being received by the Security Center integration. The Security Desk user who initiated the transfer is not recorded here. Now the files are being managed according to the modification and sharing privileges set up in your Genetec clearance system.